Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 40 SE, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold the power button and select power off. And once the device turns off, you wanna hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Though you want to give it like a decent 10 seconds after the screen turns black, just so the device has time to actually fully shut down. Now from here, like I said, I'm gonna hold power and volume up at the same time. Now once you see the TCL logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use your volume buttons to navigate through the options. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to Fast Boot Mode, which is also the same thing that the other option that is labeled correctly will do. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So I'm gonna stick with the first one and confirm it, which, like I mentioned before, will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.